Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. This is your social studies teacher and today we are going to revise our question number 4 and 5 from our social studies book 4. Our topic is our history and we will revise our questions from page number 74. Students, let's discuss our objectives first. Students, you will be able to identify ancient invaders and their impacts on the subcontinent. You will learn about the Aryans and learn how Aryan affect the subcontinent. Identify ancient empires and their impact on learning in the subcontinent. We will learn how learning progressed in ancient India and learn about different institutes of ancient India. Students, as we have learned from our textbook that after the Indus Valley civilization, as the years passed, other people came to this area. The first were the Aryans, a large tribe from Central Asia who came into the subcontinent from the northwest around 1500 BCE. They used horses to travel fast. They brought a new language, Sanskrit, and a new culture with them. The Aryans settled in the Indus Valley and then spread to other parts of the subcontinent, further east and south. The Aryans were a strong, active, and lively race. Over the next few centuries, many kingdoms were formed, great battles were fought, cities were built, destroyed by invaders, and then rebuilt. Some, like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, were forgotten. What reasons could there be for the decline of the Indus Valley civilization? Students, as we have learned earlier that after the collapse of the city-state of Mohenjo-daro, many inventions were made into the subcontinent. The first were, of course, the Aryans, and after some time, the Persians invaded to expand their empire into the subcontinent. They were later defeated by Greeks under Alexander the Great. Further on, the Mauryas under Ashoka set up their kingdom. The subcontinent was invaded by the Kushnas, Guptas, Parthians, and the Huns. Most of these tribes came from Central Asia and entered the subcontinent through the Khyber Pass. Students, the Aryans settled in the Indus Valley and the Ganga's place. The Aryan brought with them their religion, which became the precursor of Hinduism in the subcontinent. They had many verses in praise of their gods that were later collected in the Vedas. For a few centuries, there were many battles between the invaders and the local people of the subcontinent. However, this is all about Aryans. Hope you enjoy the story. Dear students, now it's time to discuss our question answers, and your question is, who were the Aryans? How did they affect the subcontinent? And the answer would be the Aryans were a large tribe from Central Asia, as we have discussed it in the video. They settled in the subcontinent in 1500 BCE. They introduced the Sanskrit language and also brought the new religion, Hinduism. Our question number 5 is, describe how learning progressed in ancient India. Give some examples. In ancient times, Taxila had the largest Buddhist universities where Buddhist scholars came to study. The Mauryas and the Guptas also encouraged learnings. Then Harsha, a ruler of Nanda dynasty, set up the Nalanda University. Students, the famous mathematician Aryabhatta from the university invented the concept of zero. So these were all the learning developments in ancient India. That was all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. You have to revise question number 4 and 5 at home. Stay safe. Thank you.